I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy. Hey guys, today we will be an unboxing. And I know you guys must be like, where am I? Not in the video today, just unboxing. So I got these I won this from TGIN for Christmas. I know Christmas has been such a long time ago. How am I just doing this video? But yeah. So just a quick run over what's in there, Alright, now let's get into a detailed video. So first of all, let's get to the big one. Well, not the big one, but yeah. This is a wide tooth comb from TGIN. And yeah, we curlies love our wide tooth combs. Then we have their styling Rosewater, the curl defining styling gel. Wash and go month. Well, not wash and go month, but it is going to be used for some styles that I had in mind for Black History Month, which you guys will see. Please definitely go and follow me on Instagram as well as on TikTok. Next up, well, I wanted to say this was next up, but I already have it there. This is not really what was next. Next, we have their natural soap with shea butter and olive oil. Yeah. It is for persons with eczema, psoriasis, or dry and sensitive skin. I am in the dry, well, not the dry, but I am in the sensitive skin department area. I always have to find things that work with my skin, doesn't irritate. Then we have the Jamaican black castor oil growth serum. I'm not biggie on the growth oils, but I'm okay with oils. So yeah, growth for me is not what you apply. It's not what you apply, but your routine, consistency. Those are what makes your hair grow. How consistent you are with your hair, Yeah. I will definitely show you guys a clip of how the soap looks at the end. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember, I will also link these. If I can find a link for them, I'll link them in the description box below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.